Hi friends, welcome to a very important lecture for UPSC Prelims 2026. In this lecture, I am going to do the PYQ analysis of recent UPSC Prelims paper, and I am going to show you that how question setters are framing direct questions from some hidden NCERT chapters. Guys, there are few chapters and few NCERT books from where question setters are asking questions repeatedly. And if you are sincerely preparing for 2026 prelims examination, you can't ignore this chapter. Guys, there is one chapter which I am going to show you. From that chapter in 2024 also 3 question came, and again in 2025 also 3 question came. So guys, this video is going to be very important for all the 2026 aspirant. At the end of this video, I am going to share with you some strategies and plan which can help you ace prelims 2026. But before I start this discussion, let me give you one suggestion. Guys, every day I get many calls from students who are struggling to crack the prelims examination year after year. Guys, let me tell you, as per my analysis and my experience of cracking UPSC 6 out of 6 times prelims examination, you can see some of my scorecards. If you master the standard sources, which is the NCERTs properly, and if you are analyzing the PYQs sincerely throughout the year and just spend 45 minutes to 1 hour on the Hindu newspaper every day, let me tell you, you don't need any coaching classes. Without any coaching classes, you can easily crack the prelims examination. But the problem is that most of the students, they are running after too many sources, but they are failing to master the NCERTs, the PYQs and the Hindu newspaper. With this, let me start the analysis. At the end of the video, I am going to share some hacks to master PYQs, standard sources and Hindu newspaper for prelims 2026. Let us start. So guys, the important book from where UPSC is repeatedly asking questions is Fundamentals of Physical Geography Class 11th NCERT book. Just imagine that in 2024, 4 to 5 questions came from this book. Again in 2025, 4 questions again came from this book. Just imagine the importance of one single book, and in this book there are only 2 chapters from where most of the questions are coming, which I am going to share with you. So let us start, guys. You can see this question came in 2025 prelims examination. It is about the amount of dust particles in the atmosphere. You can see directly word to word the question has been picked from the chapter of atmosphere from the physical geography NCERT book class 11. Exactly word to word the question have been taken from this chapter. Again, let us move on, guys. You can see in 2024 prelims examination also directly question was taken from this same NCERT chapter. You can see here UPSC question setters are asking the same chapter year after year. Still, most of the aspirants are not able to solve these questions because they are running after so many resources, but they are failing to master the standard sources. Guys, at the end of this video, I am going to give you a hack how you can master these standard sources. So let me again proceed. Again, you can see from the same chapter last year, UPSC from the same page, not even chapter, same page, UPSC had given a question. You can see this question was asked in 2024 examination, and again from the same page you can see just above this UPSC asked in 2025. You can see same page. This is the same page. You can see dust particles, structure of atmosphere. This is a 2025 prelims question, and you can see here 2024 prelims question is 2024 prelims question again from the same page, just same page. This is 2024, and just above this is 2025. Imagine, still if you have not solved this question, then there is something wrong in your preparation strategy. In the comment box, I would like to know how many of you were able to solve this question. And if you are not able to solve this question, this means you are not analyzing the PYQs properly, because this is the 2024 question and this is the 2025 question. Just imagine this. Just imagine this. That is why I say, guys, that PYQ analysis is must. Without PYQ analysis, you will be wasting a lot of time and lot of money also. Guys, lot of students, they are joining very costly coaching institutes, but still they are not mastering these standard sources. Guys, remember this, if you fail to master these standard sources, there is no shortcut to cracking the prelims examination. Only one way you can crack the prelims examination is by mastering the standard sources. Let us move on, guys, to the next question. Again, you can see this is 2025 question. 2025 question, isotherm question, again directly taken from the NCERT book Atmosphere chapter. Okay, so the section is climate. The section is climate section of this book. Okay, it has 3 chapters and 3 to 4 chapters, and every year the questions are coming directly, 3-4 questions are coming. Again, let me show you another question. So this question was also taken from the NCERT. Without atmosphere, what will happen? You can see here, without atmosphere, taken from again the NCERT chapter. Guys, many people say, sir, do I need to only read class 11th NCERT? No, I would recommend that you should read class 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. All the NCERTs you should read, because you have 1 year time. Guys, in my prelims test series, I have covered all the NCERTs chapter wise, every question. Okay, in this in my NCERT test, I have covered everything. You can see here directly one question has come. Without atmosphere, what will happen? Again, see, without atmosphere, what will happen? Exactly the same sentence has been there, and this heat absorbed and trapped by atmosphere. Okay, this was also taken from the NCERT only. How the atmosphere gets heated, it was taken from the NCERT only. Last year question, it was an extension of that question. Okay, let us proceed, guys. You can see this question again, 2025 question on continental drift theory. Continental drift theory, you can see here exactly this, all options, okay, taken from here. All options, okay, taken from here. You can see here Ghana cold deposits, Ghana coast. Okay, so again you can see, okay, this chapter, you know, was asked last year also. You can see here, this was a question, okay, last year, volcanic eruption. This was directly taken from the NCERT book. Okay, so the thing is that the UPSC question setters, they are very clear. They are going to test your basics, and these basics are there covered very properly in the NCERT sources. But the thing is that you have to master these NCERT sources. So how can you master that? Sir, I have done the micro topic analysis. I have done the micro topic analysis of each and every chapter, and I am giving these topics in form of daily target in my Lakshya 2026 test series. Guys, let me tell you, in 2025 prelims examination, lot of questions have come directly from our test series. I am attaching a proof of that in this video. You can have a look at it, and also I am going to attach a link. Please go through that in the description of this video. Further, guys, I am giving you 10 most predicted questions by linking the PYQs and the current affairs every day in my Lakshya 2026 test series, apart from the weekly static test which I am giving, which is basically based on the daily targets. So guys, I am also going to help you learn elimination techniques, and I am giving you the entire PYQ analysis of last 25 years UPSC questions along with this batch. Guys, start analyzing the PYQs, start reading the current affairs, start solving the current affairs questions, and start practicing the static test which are based on these NCERT chapters, because without this you are again going to struggle in 2026. Guys, I have cracked the prelims examination 6 out of 6 times, scoring one of the highest marks, and I can tell you, if you follow my advice, you can also easily crack the prelims examination. Thank you guys. Bye bye. Take care.